Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use Instagram's Close Friends feature. You're probably familiar with the Instagram stories. Close Friends is the same stories, just limited to a certain audience such as your real-life friends. These stories are available only to the people that you choose to include in your close friends. To add people to your close friends list, go to your Instagram profile page, tap the menu button and tap Close Friends. Tap Get Started. Add some friends there and tap Create List. Now create a story as per usual. Select Close Friends Only in the share screen. And that's it. This is a great way to separate people that you know from the entire list of your followers. You can always add or remove people from your list too, which makes it even better. What Instagram features are you interested in? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.